A haircut has the remarkable ability to instantly transform your look, and for women over 60, it's more than just a change, it's a statement. The right style can gracefully frame your features, soften your appearance, and highlight the vibrant person you are, while the wrong one can unintentionally add years. This guide, brought to you by Timeless Wisdom, is for women over 50 who want to look and feel their best. We focus on practical, elegant tips that build confidence, not on following fleeting trends. If you're ready to discover simple yet powerful ways to elevate your look, you're in the right place. Today we'll share 3 haircuts that can make you appear younger, fresher, and more refined. We'll also reveal 3 styles to avoid, giving you the knowledge to confidently choose a look that works for you the next time you're in the salon chair. Youthful Haircut 1. The soft layered bob. The soft layered bob is one of the most versatile and flattering hairstyles for women over 60. Its effectiveness comes from its tailored layers, which lift the hair and create movement, preventing it from looking stiff or weighed down. Why it works. Framing. The layers are cut to frame your face, drawing attention upward. They can soften sharp angles around the jawline and add brightness to your overall look. Volume. For those with thinning hair, the layers create the illusion of fullness. For those with thicker hair, they remove bulk for a lighter, more modern feel. Versatility. This cut is easy to style, whether you prefer it straight, wavy, or air-dried. It looks chic without a lot of effort. What to look for? Length. A chin, length, or just below. The chin bob is ideal. It elongates the neck and maintains a youthful feel. Bangs. Side swept bangs are a great addition, as they soften the forehead, hide fine lines, and draw attention to your eyes. Avoid haircut 1. The blunt bob. While a blunt bob might seem classic, it can work against you after 60. The harsh, straight line can drag your features down, accentuating sagging skin or jowls. Why it doesn't work? Lack of movement. Unlike the layered bob, a blunt cut lacks movement and can make hair look flat and lifeless, especially on fine hair. Rigidity. The rigid frame can emphasize lines and shadows, making your features appear harder. Outdated look. The lack of softness can give the haircut a boxy, outdated, or severe appearance. Youthful Haircut 2. The shoulder-length cut with gentle layers. This cut, sometimes called a long bob or lob, is a beautiful choice for women over 60. It offers versatility while keeping hair healthy and manageable. Why it works. Balance. It's long enough to feel elegant, but short enough to be full of life. Movement. Gentle layers prevent the hair from hanging flat or heavy, adding soft movement that frames the face and creates a sense of energy. Adaptability. This style looks great with different hair textures and can be worn down or pulled up into a polished ponytail or bun. Dimensions. Adding light highlights can enhance the effect, giving your hair depth and vibrancy. Avoid haircut 2. Very long, heavy hair with no shape. Extremely long hair that lacks layers or structure can work against you after 60. The sheer weight of a shapeless cut can drag the face downward, highlighting wrinkles or sagging. Why it doesn't work. Weight. The heaviness can make the style look outdated and difficult to manage. Appearance. On fine hair, it can look stringy and sparse at the ends. On thick hair, it can overwhelm your features. Maintenance. Long, heavy hair often requires more effort to look polished and can easily appear tired or neglected. Youthful Haircut 3. The pixie cut with soft texture. The pixie cut can be incredibly empowering and youthful. The key is to keep it soft, textured, and feminine, avoiding sharp or severe lines. Why it works? Lift. A pixie with gentle layers and volume at the crown instantly lifts the face, making cheekbones pop and drawing attention to your eyes. Volume. The shorter length makes fine hair look thicker and fuller. Low maintenance. This style is chic, fresh, and easy to care for, looking polished every day. Softness. Gentle layering and side-swept bangs prevent the cut from looking too harsh, softening your features and creating a playful, modern feel. Avoid haircut 3, the bowl cut or overly severe short crop. While a pixie can be stunning, cuts that are too severe or structured, like an old-fashioned bowl cut or a stiff short crop, often have the opposite effect. Why it doesn't work. Harsh lines. These styles create straight lines that can emphasize unflattering facial structures and draw attention downward. Lack of softness. Without texture or movement, these cuts can make your features look harder and more rigid. Unforgiving. These styles are difficult to style in different ways, leaving you with a one-dimensional look that can unintentionally add years. Final thoughts. A haircut has the remarkable ability to instantly transform your look. And for women over 60, it's more than just a change. It's a statement. The right style can gracefully frame your features, soften your appearance, and highlight the vibrant person you are, while the wrong one can unintentionally add years. Welcome to Timeless Wisdom, the place for women over 50 who want practical, elegant tips to elevate their style without chasing fleeting trends. Today, we're diving into 3 haircuts that can make you look younger, fresher, and more polished. We'll also cover 3 styles you'll want to avoid, so you can walk into the salon with confidence, ready to choose a look that truly works for you.